Are you looking for accurate, professional HVAC drawings that get approved without the hassle? Welcome. I am an experienced HVAC freelance designer specializing in high-quality mechanical layouts tailored precisely to your project's needs. I specialize in comprehensive fit-out HVAC drawings and detailed ventilation plans. If you are opening a restaurant, I design specialized HVAC layouts, including ecology units and kitchen ventilation, ensuring your commercial space complies with all local regulations and standards. Need a residential solution? I prepare custom villa HVAC layouts designed strictly in accordance with ASHRAE rules and regulations. My technical expertise includes accurate duct sizing and precise supply calculations for all types of diffusers, whether your project requires linear slot diffusers, square diffusers, or linear sidebar grills. From complex duct routing to the strategic placement of indoor and outdoor units, as well as gas piping layouts, I handle it all to ensure optimal airflow and efficiency. Please note, my focus is dedicated entirely to low to medium-rise projects, commercial fit-outs, and villas. I do not handle high-rise buildings. This allows me to give your project the specialized attention and fast turnaround it deserves. Let's get your project moving. Check the description below to contact me today, and let's bring your HVAC drawings to life.